Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for bringing me these radios to show to you. This is a Channel Master. It's 9 transistor. Let me get it over here. I'll get out of the box in here in a second. It's new old stock is what he calls it. In other words, it's new in the box, but it's an old radio. You got this off of eBay for $35. Channel Master AM FM pocket radio. Let's get it out of the box here. There we go. There it is. Even has the original earphone. There it is. Got the original manual. Of course, it looks brand new. Uses a 9-volt battery. Over here, we have the tuning dial, the on-off volume. And over here, we have the band select. And, down here, we have the earbud jack. Telescopic antenna. Get my fingernail around it. Oh boy. It's a little stiff there. Oh, it's pretty long. It's about 2 feet. So let's turn it on and see how it does. We are on. Let me get my spectacles on. I got new eyes, but I have to use readers. It's on FM. And it's beginning of the band. So we're going to see what we can do. It's really stiff tuning. Okay, there is. I tune it in here. I'm in my office, so we got interference. It's there. I can't quite get it tuned in. That's the FM station over in Tampa, where usually if I can get that, it's a pretty good radio. There we go.
It was necessary that the word of God should first have been spoken to you.
There we go. Whoa. Okay. Got plenty of volume. Let's get away from that music. More music.
Staying sober. Learn more about Florida's boating laws.
Boy, it's hard to turn. Wow.
Miss it this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you can live more and
It's picking them up. Just it's hard to tune. Okay, let's go to medium wave, AM. And it wants to face this way. Turn it down a little bit. Let me sit it down so I can get some leverage here.
Panel several
There we
days
go.
ago that a guy put together. We had a debate.
Pretty clear.
Bitcoin's
Doing good. Yeah, stations are coming in pretty good.
in Egypt. By the way, you know what the funniest thing is? And soft. Be able to help them. I wonder who you are talking about. Jack
Pretty clear.
Eric is in St. Pete. Eric, good afternoon, buddy. Eric?
Hey, good afternoon, guys.
There you go. Got a carrying strap, although it's a plastic one. This one's in pretty good shape, though. A lot of times those plastic ones get brittle. That one's doing pretty good. No scratches or anything on it. Again, it uses a 9-volt battery. That was typical for this time frame. Whoops, wrong way. Let's see if I have anything else in his notes. The model number is PF6722. And he could not find any information about this on the internet. And let's see what it says. It's at a limited 1-year warranty. Out of warranty merchandise may be taken to an independent service agent for repairs at his prevailing rates. Or, if you desire, you can send out of warranty units to the factory for service. Send a unit prepaid to Channel Master at Ellenville, New York, along with a check or money order for the amount of $3 to cover handling. We will send you an estimate of the cost of the repairs. Pretty cool. Again, thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. I've got about a dozen more to show you. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a nice day. Bye-bye.